Good morning, children. Hope you're all fine and enjoying your learning and doing the worksheets given in the description box. Community helpers. Today we will learn about people who help us. They are the people who help us learn new exciting things. Teacher. A teacher is a person who helps children learn many new exciting, helpful things in the class by using blackboard and chalk and many more things. Doctor. A doctor is a trained person who heals the sick people by giving them medicine. Children, have you ever been to a doctor anytime? Policeman. A policeman is a person who is trained to catch robbers, to protect people and their property. Cobbler. A cobbler is a person who mends or makes shoes. Children, your shoes which you wear is made by cobbler. Driver. A driver is a person who drives vehicle. He takes people from one place to another in his bus or car. Children, you must have seen the driver of your school bus. Postman. A postman is a person who delivers letters, invitations, parcels to the people. Barber. A barber is a person who cuts hair and shaves beards of the people. Children, you must have been to barber shop known as hair saloon. Tailor. A tailor is a person who stitches clothes that we wear. Children, have you been to tailor shop anytime? Milkman. A milkman is a person who delivers milk to our homes in the early mornings. Children, The milk you drink every day is brought to your home by the milkman. Farmer. A farmer is a person who grows grains for us on the farm by ploughing the field with tractor. Children, the food which is cooked at your home is grown by the farmer. Greengrocer. A greengrocer is a person who sells vegetables and fruits. Children, have you been to a greengrocer shop anytime? Plumber. A plumber is a person whose job is to connect and repair our water pipes. Fireman. A fireman is a person whose job is to put out fires in houses and buildings and rescue people from fire accidents. Soldier. A soldier is a person who is very strong and brave. He wears a special uniform. He protects and fights for our country. Porter. A porter is a person whose job is to carry luggage from one place to another, from railway stations, bus stands, airports, and hotels. Mason. A mason is a person who works with bricks, stones, or cement to build house. Carpenter. A carpenter is a person who makes furniture from wood like tables, chairs, cots by using handsaw, hammer, nails, screwdriver, and many more things. Potter. A potter is a person who makes things out of fine clay like pots, vases, and many more things. Orals. Answer the following questions. Who teaches us in school? The teacher teaches us in school? To whom do we go to when we are sick? We go to the doctor when we are sick. Who catches robbers? The policeman catches robbers. Who mends our shoes? The cobbler mends our shoes. Who drives the bus? The driver drives the bus. Who brings our letters? The postman brings our letters. Who cuts our hair? The barber cuts our hair. Who stitches our clothes? The tailor stitches our clothes. Who brings us milk? The milkman brings us milk. Who grows grains for us? The farmer grows grains for us. Who sells vegetables? The greengrocer sells vegetables. Who repairs our water pipes? The plumber repairs our water pipes. Who puts out the fire? The fireman puts out the fire. Who fights for our country? The soldier fights for our country. Who carries our luggage? The porter carries our luggage. Who builds our house? The mason builds our house. Who makes furniture for us? The carpenter makes furniture for us. Who makes pots for us? The potter makes pots for us. Children, hope you have enjoyed knowing about the community helpers as much as I did. Now this is your activity. Paste the pictures of the community helpers you have learnt in your GK classwork book. The second activity is post me your video of identifying the community helpers you have learnt. Bye bye.